What's up everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, and if you're looking for a lead generation tool that will give you white label audits on your website, then we have that over at SERPWizz.com. So as you can see here, I'm showing you the landing page for SERPWizz.com, and here you also get a free guide showing how SERPWizz is amassing an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in knowing how that works, then just input it in your details and you'll be getting or you will be hearing back from SERPWizz and with the information that you need to find out how that will work for you. So going back to what our main topic is for today, as usual, we will still be talking about SE ranking for this specific playlist. So today our focus will be on the on-page SEO checker. Right here is the dashboard or the main dashboard for SE ranking once you have an account with them. And you can create projects here. You can actually expand this by clicking on this arrow. And then you have a lot of tools down here on contained on this drop down list, and also you can select which project you want to work on, but our focus is still on this tabs right here up top. And if you hover your mouse here on the more tab, you will see a list of tools on the drop down. And today we'll still be talking about, or we will be discussing about on-page SEO checkers. I'm just going to give that a click, and then we'll be directed to the page of the tool. Alright, so let me just minimize this so that we have full visibility of the tool. So right here you see that on-page SEO checker reveals errors that negatively impact a page's search engine ranking. SE ranking checks how well a particular page is SEO optimized for a search query. Plus, you can get a detailed overview of all the errors present on a page, ranging from petty to critical ones. So, of course, if you're running a page for your business, you would want it to be as optimized as possible with regards to SEO, because that dictates how well you will be doing in terms of ranking, and as well as all the content that you're putting out. You want to know which ones to improve, what pages are thriving for you, so that you can focus on it, or better yet, improve the other ones that are not doing as well as that one. So here you get a quick view of what's going on with your page. So here we have some examples. They're already inputted here in our project. So let's have a look at what SERPWizz or how SERPWizz is doing. So here you see a couple of results, and then here you can also export it, recheck, or delete that specific domain. So we're just gonna give it a click and we'll be directed to the specific page about SERPWizz.com. So here we have the webpage SEO audit for SERPWizz. As you can see, the overall score is 42 over 100. So for sure, we're going to have to improve on that so that it will score better the next time. And you also get here score by category. So if you want to know what these colors mean, just refer to this information right here. And then scrolling down to the scrolling further into the page, you get here a lot of metrics that with corresponding results, because you can see here there's 19 errors, 25 warnings, and 32 checks passed. You also get backlinks for key domain characteristics, page title, meta description, page URL structure. So a lot will be going on once you utilize the on-page SEO checker tool. Index status and cached snapshot right there. Image analysis, so even images get analyzed. Here you see if it is unique or not. And then content analysis, uniqueness rate. Content must contain the target search query. Use the keyword at the beginning of the content, keyword identity. So there are some tips as well on how you can improve your content. Header tags. So for formatting. Keyword total. Here's the overall result. And then link analysis. Load speed. This is one of the things that you want to improve because slow loading web pages are not really attractive to most visitors. So here you get a look of what the page looks like when you open it in a mobile. Popularity and social media. Wow, so even this is included in the overall on-page SEO audit. So usability and technical analysis, and that's it. So you see, there are a lot of things that you can find out just by utilizing this tool alone. So imagine how much more, or how much or the power that you can get from all of this information from the analysis that you have concluded using the tools from SE ranking. So you can export that again if you want to, maybe in PDF or Excel form, whichever you want, whichever is more accessible to you, so that once you, or if you want to view all of those information, you won't have to visit the tool or the page or the dashboard itself, but rather open it up in files that are more accessible like PDF and Excel, and that is for better viewing. But yeah, that is it for us today for On-Page SEO Checker. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found this very helpful. Do leave comments for anything or any thoughts that you may have about this tool or SE ranking in general, or maybe about SERPWizz, how the tool went for you once you have sampled it, or if you have went through the guide. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you again on the next video.